I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: subscription, resource group, and storage. Next, open Azure Data Factory Studio and choose Author. Create a new pipeline container and name it clearly so you can find it later. Once done, add a source dataset using linked service credentials. This connects ADF to your storage. Make sure to test the linked service connection now so you avoid mid-flow auth errors. This first set of steps gets your workspace, connectivity, and an editable pipeline ready. You now design the work. Drag a copy data or data flow activity onto the canvas and connect it to the source dataset you created. Configure the sync dataset and define column mappings. If transformations are required, open Mapping Data Flow and add transformations step by step. Use parameters and variables for flexible paths and dynamic file names. Then run a debug session to validate row counts and data types. Make iterative fixes until the debug run succeeds. This ensures the core pipeline logic behaves as expected. You finish by publishing your pipeline changes and creating a trigger. Choose schedule, tumbling window, or event-based depending on requirements. Once the trigger runs, monitor executions in the Monitor tab to confirm success and observe duration, throughput, and row counts. If something goes wrong, pause and check linked service authentication, dataset paths, and parameter values, then rerun a debug session. As a key tip, inspect activity error messages and the output JSON.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.